Welcome to our exploration of one of nature's most fascinating phenomena, clouds. But have you ever wondered how these fluffy creations form in the sky? Join us as we dive into the captivating science behind cloud formation. It all begins with the sun's energy heating the Earth's surface, causing water from oceans, lakes, and rivers to evaporate into the atmosphere as invisible water vapor. As the air heats, it rises, carrying this water vapor upwards. This process is known as convection. As the air rises, it encounters cooler temperatures, causing the water vapor to cool as well. This is where things start to get interesting. When the water vapor cools to a certain point, known as the dew point, it begins to condense. Tiny particles in the atmosphere, such as dust, serve as nuclei around which this condensation occurs. This process results in the formation of tiny water droplets or ice crystals, depending on the temperature. When these droplets or crystals cluster together, they become visible to us as clouds. There are various types of clouds, each formed under different atmospheric conditions. For instance, the fluffy, white cumulus clouds usually mean fair weather, while the towering cumulonimbus clouds might signal an impending storm. The shape and altitude of clouds can provide valuable information about the weather conditions. The formation of clouds plays a significant role in the Earth's weather patterns and climate, reflecting and absorbing solar energy and regulating the planet's temperature. So, the next time you look up and spot clouds rolling by, remember the extraordinary journey they've taken from being water below to spectacular formations overhead. These natural marvels are not just beautiful to look at, but are essential components of Earth's complex weather system, shaping the world's climate as we know it. Thank you for joining us on this brief journey through the skies. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the wonders of our world.